Hello guys, in this video, I'll first show you the sketches, which I've created for my art book project, and then I'll share with you some sketching tips, so that your image target can also get to 5 augmentation star rating. Now for this art book project, I have created a total of 6 sketches. The first sketch is of the book cover, which received 5 stars. The second one is of the sun, which received 4 stars. The third sketch is of a house, which also received 4 stars. The fourth one is of a ship, which has 4 stars. The fifth one is of a car, which has 4 stars again. And finally, the sixth image target is off the airplane, which received 5 stars. After showcasing you all of my sketches, now I'll give you some sketching tips, so that you can sketch images with 4 to 5 augmentation star rating. So in my case, I first sketched the main image in the center of the drawing paper. In this example, it is the house. If I upload just this basic image, then I'll only get 0 to 1 augmentation star rating. So after this, I added some props by sketching trees, clouds, and grass bushes. I then added these dash lines inside the grass and the clouds, so that these dash lines can be recognized as unique feature points. Now, do not color the clouds and the trees completely, as Bufolio's image recognition all-quarter term does not recognize colors. It tries to detect unique edges or dotted lines on an image and generate yellow color feature points on top of those edges. So that's why I've added these dash lines inside each object. Next, I have written this house text as View40 as algorithm generate unique feature points on top of text as well. In my ER1 project, if you remember, I had used this specific book cover as a maze target, and it also had 5 augmentation star rating. If I show you examples of some other book covers, then even these book cover image targets have received 5 augmentations targeting because of the book title text. So presence of text can boost an image's star rating. Now, while sketching, use darker or medium shade colors, because as for my observation, View40's algorithm do not recognize lighter colors like yellow or orange that well. This sun image target, for instance, is made up of red, green, blue, and black color as its primary colors. Insert of yellow or orange color. And that's why this image target has received for augmentation star rating. When I had previously designed the sun image target for my very first art book, or art book version 1, so during that time, since I've sketched the sun using yellow and orange color, so that's why it only received a star rating. And that's why it was very difficult for the webcam to recognize it. Finally, while sketching, use sketch pens, as they have taken them when compared to a normal pen, and thus images sketched with a sketch pen do get good augmentation star rating. Images sketched with a normal pen may not get good augmentation start rating because of the thin lines. So guys, after showcasing you my image targets and sharing some sketching tips, I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next time.